Back at the edit screen again. So one of the last things that you're going to want to do before you finish your lesson is to go back through and preview what your lesson would look like as if you were a student. And to do that is pretty simple. You can either click here to preview, or you can start by previewing any one of the pages over here with the magnifying glass with a little plus in it. So let's start at the beginning. I'm going to click here to preview. And it'll ask me if it says, I've seen more than one page of the lesson already. Do you want to start at the last page you saw? And that's built in there for students who want to start a lesson and go away from it and come back and pick up where they left off. But in this case, I want to start right back at the beginning of the lesson. So I'm going to say, no, I don't want to start at the last page I want to go back to the first page. So I'll click no. And here we see our first page. So if you recall, when we started this page, I didn't put a topic in there because I wasn't sure where we were going to go with this. And so what I want to do is I want to actually edit the page. Now, I don't want to click here. That's going to take me to the overall settings of the lesson. What I do want to click is up here where it says Edit Page Contents. And since we added questions on the sky, let's just say, welcome to our lesson on the sky. Please click the button to move on. And I'll go down here and save my page. So here I am back to my preview again. I can see the highlighted button there. You'll notice here in red down at the bottom, it says I won't see the progress bar because I can edit the lesson. So we'll ignore that for now. And we'll click next. And here we see our multiple choice question. And you'll notice that when we enter the answers, we put blue as the first answer. So the choices are shuffled. And let's see what happens if we get a question wrong. We'll choose red. And you'll see it shows the student their answer, and then it gives the response that we entered in there. So that's their feedback. And when I click continue, because I set the jump for this response to go to the next page, it's going to allow me to move on. But the important thing to remember is that that answer was worth 0 points. And so I didn't earn any credit for that question, even though I'm moving on. And so that's one of the things that you want to think about when you decide where your page jumps are going to go. Here's our essay question. It says, describe what you see when you look at the sky. And we'll enter a little answer there. Once we click submit,